What's up guys, Phil from Ferris Technology. Today we are unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the brand new latest and greatest GoPro with hyper smooth technology. So what hyper smooth is super great stabilization. So gimbal like stabilization, as you can see on the box right there. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox this today, and we're gonna get a closer look at what's inside. So let's go ahead and do this. There we go, we've got the top of it off, and as you guys could see, a very different way of unboxing GoPros now is they have this like sticky stuff on the side. They used to have little pull tabs right here, so this was just a pull tab off, but now they've got this stickiness to the side. Not sure I really like that, but there's the actual camera itself just sitting right there on top. We're gonna go ahead and actually just remove it right away, right off the top right here. And it's just on this little plastic pedestal holder with obviously the GoPro mount. And there is your Hero 7 Black. We'll actually put this aside. Let's get a little closer look up at the camera itself. We'll pull this top off right there, and we'll pull the actual camera out right away. And it just pushes right out. And now the GoPro Hero 5 Black, Hero 6 Black, and Hero 7 Black are physically the same, but now there's a really great way that we can tell the difference between the three of them, and the Hero 7 Black has that on the side. We got the little writing, Hero 7 Black. So other than that, physically they do look the same, they are the same. Everything else is pretty much the same. No battery included on the actual camera when it's actually mounted for sale, but it is included in the package. And we'll actually pull this little piece off right here. And there we go, we got the screen on the back of it. But let's go ahead and put the camera aside. Let's go ahead and see what we actually get inside the actual box right here. We've always got little goodies and mounts and stuff like that that are included with GoPros. So we got an instruction booklet, need help guide. We've got some GoPro stickers, which are always cool to have. I like those. I actually put those on some of my little cases and stuff. Big instruction booklet. Yep, don't think I'm gonna read that. We'll be able to figure it all out. All right, so we do get a USB-C cable, which is great. Always good to have extras of these. I've got lots of those ones. We use that for charging. We've got a flat mount. We've got a curved mount. So if you want to put this one on a window in a car or something like that, or this one on like a helmet or something curved, which is always good to have. And what else do we have down here? We've got the battery. There is our battery right there. So it's your GoPro official battery, and I don't know the actual milliamp of battery, but you can get replacements of these ones. They don't last very long, maybe on full 4K, only about 45 minutes. The one thing I want you guys to know is actually you should take this piece off right here. And actually it will just kind of slide off. It's all stickied on there. Here we go. We'll take that off right there. And this is actually a really good piece to use if you want to put your GoPro on the ground, and you just mount it right in here, and then you can have it sit on the ground, which is really handy. So pull these little sticky things off so it doesn't actually stick. But yeah, very handy. I've got these with all my other GoPros, and I do use them quite often. So definitely make sure you take that off before you throw away your packaging, if you do throw away your packaging. That's it. That's your unboxing for your GoPro Hero 7 Black. We're gonna see some sample footage and all of that in an upcoming video, but thank you very much for watching this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.